Okay. Isa pang tanong. Alam mo yung sa mga game show, 2,000 yung Tong. Okay. Ano pa bang pwedeng tanong? Yung mahirap? Gusto mo yung mahirap talaga? Wait lang, isip muna ako. Hindi, huwag naman yung sobrang hirap. Ito na lang. Who is my favorite for 2,000 pesos? Who is my favorite superhero? Go! Wonder Woman. Nope. Okay, got it. Grabe ang bilis nila, no? Nikki Jets says Iron Man. Iron Man. Jalo pa pass nga niyan. Meron bang Iron Man dyan?
Iron Man?
Ayan. Si Iron Man po yung pinaka-favorite ko. Especially the movie. One of my favorite movies. Superhero movies. Ayan. Ay, mabigat ba? Ayan, sa gitna. Tignan mo kung sino nasa gitna nito. You guys see all of the superheroes here, right? But Superman today. Iron Man is in the middle. Right here. Saan ba siya? Ayan. Kasi siya yung pinaka-solid. Iron Man is the best. Sana one day, makuha ko yung suit niya. Binibenta na yun ngayon. Oo, pero hindi ko alam kung saan pwedeng bilhin niya. Yun yung gusto kong parang collection. Yung talagang pwede mong isuot. Yung Iron Man na yung parang gumagalaw yung dito. Gano'n. Ayan. Uy, Malacanang! Sino nag-send? Maraming salamat po. Di ba nakikita yan dito? Ito pag Ayan. Okay, I'll read the top senders so far. Sophia Kaluning, thank you. Mommy Che, uy, I miss you. Gabby Cruz, Kaina Zayfried, Love Ivy Kia, Madonna, D. Bubbly Yates, Sia Rami Atedes, Naruka, Wendy Danelli. Yeah. See you guys all. Thank you so much. I love you 3,000 too. Binabasa ko. Iron Man, Superman, ikaw yung mamahalin ko magpakailanman. Grabe. Ganda naman ng mga pick-up line itong mga to. Where's Solana? Nasa bahay po. Wala siya dito. Kung nyo hanapin dito. Pero miss ko rin siya. Wala dito. Pero kasi, sarap tumambay dito. Kwento lang tayo. Very chill. Kahit anong gusto nyo pag-usapan. Donnie, will you say hi Maricel or Tulfo? Tulfo nyo ako? Huwag naman. Idol ko yun eh. Minsan. Dati yun yung pinapakinggan natin, di ba? Pero hindi na recent. Paborito nila Jelly yun. Si Tulfo. Ikaw na may ayos na yan. Uy, hindi ko mabasa. Unique Elaine says, I'm crying right now. Why are you crying? Don't cry. Please. Let me check on my... I'm gonna say if I saw it. Parang wala pang naka ano ah. Or meron na ba? Oh, I saw it! Yo! Galing! Galing, galing, galing! Pero hindi ko sasabihin kung ano yun. Di nyo alam, di nyo alam. Wala, di nyo alam. Basta yun. Are you releasing a new song? Um, Honestly, yeah, why not? I guess yes. And it's actually very personal to me. It's actually the favorite song that I'm gonna put out soon. Yeah, I co-wrote it with someone, and yeah, it's my favorite song so far. And I guess you guys would like it too. You guys were honestly the ones I thought of doing this. So, baka magulat na lang kayo. Yun lang. Sinabi? Ayun lang. I-play ko nga ngayon. Okay. Para lang sa 5,000 na nanonood. Yun lang yung kayo lang yung may alam. So, huwag nyo i-spread. Sa atin lang guys. Donnie, gusto ko na mag-almusal. Almusal? Donnie, I like your necklace, but I like you more. Thanks. It says D. And it actually worked so well, so he's into her. Kasi I was thinking if I should wear it or not, but since it's Dave and it's still D, it made sense. And he seems like the type of guy to wear it anyway, so it made sense. Top silog kain na tayo. Paborito ko po yung lahat ng silog. Shay says, Donnie, I love you. Love you too, Shay. Ito. Sino nagbigay ng necklace? Oh? Wala po. This is my necklace. Si Jello, sana. Pero hindi niya binigay. Cute ni Jasmine Salvador, sabi niya. Cute ni Jasmine Salvador. Nag-hello na ako sa'yo, JB, pero ito ulit. Hello, JB. Ayun, na-record mo na. Salamat, Christine Janet, for the halo-halo. Hindi ko ba? Love you too, CA. Hi, Arafel. Salamat sa Get Funky Five. Uy, kain ka na, Donnie. O sige, mga 5 minutes siguro. What makes you happy? The formula for, I guess, it to be fun is like anything to be fun is good company, good music, good food, and like a good destination or like a good place. It's the formula always. If you want to have like a good time. Hi Rian, kamusta? L Sandwiches, Donnie, I'll draw you soon. Thank you. Send mo sa akin. Dito ba yung mga drawing? Jalo, paano nga nito? Jalo, pinakita ko na ba itong mga to? Yan mga yan. Yan yung mga yan. Oo. Ito. Pakita ko ito yung. Ayan, yan, yan. Yung mga yan. Shout out kay Ate Ella. I don't know if you remember, but when we were kids, you drew this for me. And I don't know if you thought this was me or whatever, but I have a cap on. And my mom had it framed because I forgot about this, but I remember Ella drawing this for me before, painting it for me. And then my mom gave it to me like last month and she had it framed. She surprised me and I was like, wow, it's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm like gonna hang it somewhere. Kasi ngayon ang galing na ni Ella eh. So, meron din akong ano, ginawa niya pero ano, pinapa-frame ko rin. I hope you will visit Israel soon, sabi ni Yan Yan. Yeah, I'd love to visit Israel. My parents went there. My sister, if I'm not mistaken, went there. Yeah. Sabi ni Angela Donnie, malapit ang graduation ko. Congrats! Wala pa ano, no, physical graduation. Puro ano, puro online lang. Tama ba? Uy, Malacanang! How do I see who gave it? Let's find it.